Let's see if I go good with nature.
Is Paul one with nature? Is he?
I'm gonna try to throw some bread at a squirrel. I'm gonna see if it eats it. It's behind the table. And it's going away. There you have it. I'm not one with nature. And fuck my life. The squirrel's back. The nature saga continues. So I'm just gonna throw the bread that's in my hand to it. Then again, I am not one with nature. Let's see if bread is one with nature. And the bread is now up there. Observe and report. Like the movie. Okay. Just gonna sit. I guess the squirrel was over here before. Just gonna sit over here. I think he's gonna attack me. I'm fucking scared now. I'm just gonna walk away because I am so with nature. And he's going to attack me. Never mind. First thing I'll do is jump into my home. I've never heard a squirrel chirp at me. Just try and feed it. Not try and be a threat. And it's probably calling to the wilds. Can you hear it making sounds? It's giving me the evil eye. Starting now, let's make this Australian. And we're trying to see if I'm one with nature. And Australians are usually with nature. So maybe if I'm Australian, I'll be with nature. I don't know if anyone can hear that, but it's making sounds. Okay. I'm gonna go pick up the piece of bread that I left, so it doesn't freaking kill me. I don't even know if that was Australian, but I'm scared as balls. I'm just gonna throw the bread over the fence. That's episode 1 of Is Paul with Nature. See you later.